Man, if there ever was, I'm not going to say it, but if there ever was something that looked like a funeral alteration, this is it. Never mind, Bob. I'm going to go to standby. I got to get my Noman.
We copied that too.
Hey, I think we hit one of these.
Shorty, let's stick up over your TV screen here. Right away, have it, of course.
Okay, we are constraint limited to stop our
Market perimeter.
We understand, and this will take precedence over anything else.
What's wrong with the TV? Aren't you watching it?
Seems it's going down on me flat, and I can't tilt it.
Okay, Bob, I'll get a sample. I'll sample it by hand.
Okay, we got it set cool enough with a...
I'll get it in the bag in a minute.
I don't have it here. At the end of the stop.
When you do, I need to have it on.
When we get to 5, we'll go through the same thing again. Back off, open covers, and back on to 5, and on into the
Leave the core there, Gene, and you can take the stereo pan while Jack's getting that sample. Then you can get together and ram the core home.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Okay, and the rest to get back on. Let's not forget.
Bob, the bottom of the upper core is also dark.
Copy that. Sounds a little thin.
And like you might expect, the top of the bottom core is dark too.
How about that?
All right.
There, Jack. And the one problem at this station, Jack, is not that we can find assign priorities between this station and another station. It's the fact that we're running up against a walk-back constraint here in just a very few minutes, about 20 minutes.
Okay. He's getting about 3 centimeters of lag.
Hey, there's the crater.
It did. Yeah, look into it yourself, and then I'll also get you a stereo pan before we leave. I can do that.
Roger. That's some crater.
Got your hammer? Yeah, I practiced too long.